In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pop-up message in Google Docs. This feature is a handy way to suggest edits or leave comments which others reviewing the document can see and respond to. So let's dive right into it, starting with your web browser. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you feel comfortable with. Once you have it open, go to the address bar at the top of your screen and type in google.com. This will take you to the Google homepage. Next, you'll want to sign into your Google account to access all the resources connected to it, including Google Docs. On the Google homepage, you'll see a Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click on this button to proceed with logging in. You'll need to enter your Google email address and click on the Next button. Following that, you'll be prompted to type in your password. After entering your password, click Next. Again, once you're signed into your account, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the page where you'll see a small grid-like icon, sometimes known as the Google Apps icon. Click on this icon and you'll get a drop-down menu listing various Google applications. From this list, select Google Docs. After selecting Google Docs, you'll be directed to the main Google Docs page. Here you can either open a new document or choose an existing one where you want to add the pop-up message. For simplicity, let's say you are opening a document that you've already worked on previously. With your document open, look towards the top right corner and find a pencil icon. Click on it. This action lets you choose a mode. From the available options, select Suggesting. In this mode, any edits you make will appear as suggestions, which essentially function as pop-ups to other users viewing the document. Now scroll through the document and find the text where you'd like to create your pop-up message. Highlight this specific portion of text with your cursor. This action will automatically open a small box on the side of your screen where you can type your note or message. Once you've typed out your note, it will display as a pop-up suggestion to anyone else who accesses the document. This feature not only helps in making suggestions for text edits, but also assists in collaboration by leaving comments or reminders for others. And there you have it. You've successfully added a pop-up message in Google Docs. This simple yet effective tool can significantly enhance collaboration and streamline communication within any document you are working on. Thanks for watching and happy editing.